Hi, it's John Degotardi from Supply Partners. I'm here with Ben from Gem Energy. Thank you for joining us, Ben.
My pleasure.
Ben, could you share a little bit about who Gem Energy is, where you're located and where you service?
Yeah, sure. Gem Energy is located in central Queensland. From there, we've grown into a nationwide company. We now service all states and all territories pretty much.
Yeah.
Our focus, the core business is still solar electricity, but we mainly focus now on energy storage, large and small scale commercial. And we include usually LED lighting, solar pumping as well.
Yeah.
Anything which is, we're interested in any project which hasn't been done before, so we like to engineer new things and go where no one else went before.
True innovators.
Yeah, that's what makes us different from other companies.
And you've shared the range of services and products that you're involved with. Would you be able to share why an end customer, be it a farmer or a commercial customer down to a residential customer, would choose Gem Energy over your competitors?
Yeah, sure. I think it's we approach projects and customers a bit differently. Every project it's done properly and with a lot of integrity, but we still keep a personal touch with the customer, so they can call us anytime, 24/7, if they have any issues with the off-grid systems, specific. Because if you live off-grid and your power goes out, you do need to get it back. So they can call me Sunday mornings at 7 o'clock, even I don't like it.
Yeah.
I will pick up the phone, and I think the products we use makes a difference as well.
Yeah.
We try and use Australian-made products as much as possible, and other than that, we only use Tier 1 products.
You Gem Energy are obviously, leading and at the forefront of innovation, and I'd really like, I guess, as an innovative company, what your opinion is on the industry potentially in 2 years, and where you think Gem Energy will be within the industry within 2 years.
Yeah, cool. I think a lot of people say that solar would be dying out in Australia, but I don't think that's actually the case. After the government rebates have been in place for a while now, I think a lot of the black sheeps are gone out of the industry, and you can see that here on the conference/expo as well. It's only the core of people which is left in the industry. It seems to be the good guys, the ones who actually know what they're doing, and the ones who want to use good products and no rubbish which only lasts half a year. And therefore I think the industry will still be strong in 2 years. It will go into energy storage, probably more focus on energy efficiency as well. I strongly believe LED lighting will be just standard in 2 years' time.
Yeah, I'd agree.
And so I don't have any concern that we would be out of business in the next 2 years.
I have no concern that you'll be out of business either, my friend. I just very intrigued from the point of view of just where you thought things were going to go, because what you're doing in the agribusiness sector and commercial sector all are genuine leadership.
Yeah, and there's so much potential left what you can do with solar electricity. Like, as you just mentioned, we did a project for the Bundaberg farming community where we took big pumps they used for high pressure pumping or irrigation completely off the grid as well. It wasn't an easy task to do because it was meant to have high pressure and high flow. If you only have one or the other, it would have been easy, but I wanted both. So it took us a while to actually develop something there, even it seemed to be easy. And that's just there's so much more you can do with it. It's just ridiculous.
Scratching the surface of the potential. For a consumer or a customer, what's the most important consideration that a consumer should have when choosing what solar company to go with?
I think you should look out for a company who actually knows what they're doing. It comes down to the solar company actually asking the right questions, I think. If you take a commercial customer, for example, if a solar company only looks at your bill and says, yep, there you need a 100 kilowatt system, that's not the right approach. What we do our due diligence, and we actually look at the power consumption, when they use the power, how much we use. We look at the power factor, and we do the whole package. We then reduce the power consumption first by putting in LED lighting, and then offset the rest with a solar PV. And only by looking at it properly, you can achieve the best outcome. So you should ask your solar company the right question and how they actually do it, what processes they have in place to guarantee the production of the system and the savings. And on top of it, obviously, the solar company needs to choose the right products. Yeah. And I think what maybe makes us different again as well is that we also got an electrical engineer on the books, which is not that common in the industry these days.
So Ben, I sincerely appreciate having a chat to you about Gem Energy. I mean, your anecdote about being able to be called on a Sunday morning by a customer, I mean, that's
it happens more than you think. Actually,
that's true customer service, my friend. A focus on innovation, creating new solutions for customers when there is a problem, looking into different sectors, large commercial, agribusiness.
Yeah.
I sincerely wish yourself and the rest of the team at Gem Energy the best, and we really appreciate you having this interview with us.
No worries. Thank you very much.